Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your logo to your Shopify store, step by step. Whether you're launching your very first store or giving your existing one a fresh new look, your logo is what makes your brand stand out. It's the face of your business, and getting it in the right place on your site makes a huge difference in how professional your store feels. All right, let's jump straight in. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your store's control center, where you manage everything from products and payments to design and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on New Settings. You'll see a little gear icon next to it. When the settings menu opens, select General. Here, you'll find all the key details about your store, things like your store name, contact information, and most importantly, your logo section. Now you'll see an area that says Store Logo or something similar depending on your theme. Right next to it, click the upload icon. This will open a file browser window on your computer. Choose your logo file. Ideally, use a high quality PNG with a transparent background. That way, your logo blends seamlessly into your store's design and looks clean on any background color. After selecting your file, click Open to upload it. Once it appears in your preview, don't forget to hit Done or Save. This is crucial. If you skip this step, your logo won't be applied and you'll have to re-upload it again. Now, take a quick look at your store preview. You should see your logo proudly displayed on your site. If it looks a little off, you can always adjust its size or position using your theme editor later on. And that's it. You've successfully added your logo to Shopify. It's a simple step, but it gives your store that extra layer of trust and professionalism that every successful brand needs. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks, and drop a comment if you want me to cover another part of your store setup next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy selling.